Hello guys, and hope doing well. I have several videos about virtual ground maker to use for the opamp projects. Usually we are using this project with 2 capacitor and sometimes with 2 diodes, but this one I take an example from YouTube videos to use the ua741 as virtual ground generator. This is my 741. As always, the positive connected to positive, negative connected to the negative, the output pin directly connected to the non-inverting pin, it is pin number 2, and the inverting pin number 3, is connected to the positive and negative over 100k resistor. 200k resistor will make voltage divider, and the 12 volts voltage gonna be divided by 2 of 6.5 positive and negative. So we have 3 rail here. The blue one is negative, the green one is positive, and the mid pin is ground. As always, we need 100 nanofarad cap 104 and 10 microfarad electrolytic to stabilize the frequency, to stabilize the voltage. I'm going to test the project. This is very useful project for the opamp because of most of opamp projects need the virtual ground. As you can see, the meter is connected to positive pin, and the mid one now is minus 6.5, and it is connected to the negative. I will replace 6.5 and minus 6.5. Very well. This project is one of the best solutions to use voltage divider and use it for more than 500 milliamp current limitation. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.